Repairing problems related to dogs? These tips will help. When you first dream of getting a dog, it's all sweetness and submissiveness. What actually happens could be completely different. No matter what, you have the job of taking care of your dog, and the piece below shows you how. If your puppy or dog is constantly chewing up your furniture, invest in some chew toys. Scatter them around the floor, especially around the legs of the sofa and end tables. Be enthusiastic about your offers to play with the chewies with your dog to encourage frequent use. This should eventually deter him from chomping your furniture. Not everyone is good at training dogs, so quit trying if you see things are not going as well as planned. Instead of beating yourself up about it, get in touch with a trainer in your area. Since they have more experience with dogs, it may be much easier for them to train yours. Be careful if you're searching for a new dog on Craigslist or other classified ads. Many people exaggerate the truth in order to unload problems or challenging training issues, and you could end up with an impossible situation on your hands. Only talk to people who are verifiable through vet records and demonstrate positive handling experience. Take your time to teach your dog what kind of behavior is right or wrong as soon as it occurs. If you let it fester, it can only make the problem much worse, and eventually the dog becomes extremely difficult to train. You don't want to be the owner of a dog who hurts someone, so get a handle on it now. Only a fool would ignore the advice above. Make use of it all in everything you do, and you will find your dog becomes more like the dream you once had. Dogs that are happy really show it no matter what, so work hard and you'll see the rewards. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.